Hi, this is Rachel at the Crystal Tree, and today I'm going to talk about how to peel the film off of eggs. All I did was crack them and then soaked the shells in warm water overnight. Sometimes I wait like a day, and what I'm showing you is the film. Hopefully I can get it on camera here. You can see how the egg is stuck together. There's a light film. You know when you what keeps it, the membrane, I believe, that keeps it together. You can see right there. And when you soak it in the water, it helps to get it away from the shell. You can see that it will come off. And it's kind of a tedious thing, but you can do some really cool projects. I've seen people use and do this with jewelry, and you can give a nice cracked look. Sometimes I try to use and keep a big, as big as I can shell so that I can like maybe sit it down and then crack it. And I have seen people make bracelets and stuff like that. I'm going to show you right now what I've done with it so far. So I did a mermaid, and you can see I did the scales on her, and you can get up close here. And the type of paint I used was gloss enamels, transparent glass paint, to get that effect. If you've never used this particular type of paint before, I got it at a craft store. You could probably get this online, Amazon. I got it at Joann's, I believe, or Michael's craft store. So you can see. And the way I store them is I just keep them in a plastic bag when I'm done. And you can see they're very fragile still, but they have all that membrane that would make them smell after a while, just pulled off. And I start off from here. And I don't have to boil the eggs or anything, I just crack them. And so when you're eating and stuff, you can just save them. And then when you have a project you have an interest that you would like to put and do with them, like mosaic or something like that, you could do it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.